And that was a huge.
Ah, oh my god.
Thank
Wow.
you guys so much. Welcome.
Thank you.
Let me cry now.
You would cry. Seriously. Okay guys, so me and the queen, we're ready to tour the place. Turn the color, my breath. What? Wow. You remember this dress that you bought?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna tour the place and you're looking like somebody out of Indian film. Like one of them Apache chick. What you- Let's go. We're gonna go on a tour of the place now guys, so you can get to see what it's like. So follow away.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go tour. Okay. Lock. The place is actually nice guys, look. So this is where we are, we're upstairs. And this is a bathroom. You want to go outside there? This is another outside. We'll come back to this one, but first, look. Woo. Yeah. Well, let's go outside again. This is what I was talking about. This design is very nice.
Yeah, so that's where we were staying.
That's the room.
Yeah, that's where we were staying.
Yeah, that's the room that we're staying at. Yeah. Wow. So you have this nice table, you can chill. Another plant again. And the queen is looking magnificent as ever. Don't know why I'm talking so low. I like the design. I was saying this land size look like around 200 by 200. You see, they're maintaining the grass over that side, water in the grass and thing.
I must say, even though the sun is going down and it still has a little sting, there's this cool breeze that's blowing.
Let's go, cause we have a lot of touring to do. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let me do this so I can watch my step. Let's go over this side first and show them. So yeah guys, when we say we're staying in a mansion, we weren't kidding. Right? This is our second visit here, but it's our first time staying here. If you guys are following our YouTube story, you would see that we were here just this morning. Queen Jody was trying to watch Netflix, but it didn't work.
Yeah, I was actually trying
Who tell you say you can sit down on the Jody?
It's chest and it can serve us.
No, it cannot.
Yes.
This is nice. Yeah. Rocking chairs. It's been a while since I've seen a rocking chair. Yeah. And you have an old jukebox. I think this is a jukebox. I think so. Right. And this is just like what do you call this now, Jody? A living room?
This is like a sitting room.
A sitting room.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what the sitting room is like. So you can just chill out and enjoy some, I don't know, internet, cable, whatever.
Read some books.
Read some books. If you're a reader, then this is.
A dictionary inside. You see, this space could be for writers.
Yeah.
It's a place for chill and just get your thoughts together. You know, or an artist. That would be so cool. Because I mean, when I say writers, I mean if you need to look up a word in the dictionary, I have so many dictionaries to do that.
That's true.
And the ambience is really nice if you want to like do painting and stuff like that. You just sit down.
Especially upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go around here and show them. Oh, this is the check-in area.
Yeah, it's
And there's another toilet around that side.
Yeah.
Jody, check first.
No one's there.
It's open?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
Yeah.
instrument, right?
Yeah. I guess everybody have access to this if they want.
Yeah, if you're downstairs.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't want to go back upstairs again.
Check-in area. We're past the check-in area. Let me walk in here. No.
This is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen. But when you rent this sometime, guys, you have access to this kitchen. Like if you want to cook your own food, you have access. So you buy your own food and you basically cook in here. This is a huge kitchen. And that's a washroom around there, right? Yeah. And you see, it's a nice place. You just sit, eat your food, you're good to go. Mungi cool. And this is like not a waiting area, but you have dining as well.
Where you can chill and eat.
This is where we eat all the time, right here.
This is where we had our dinner and our breakfast.
It's very nice. Wait, you know what, Jody? What? Let's go to the car so I can get this thing. Because right now my hand's dead. Right, so guys, we're gonna go to the car.
Oh, here's another chest.
Oh, there's another chest. Why do you like to sit on the chest? This girl. This is mahogany wood, by the way.
Yes.
And you see, it's like the roof is the same.
I actually like this, the open.
Yes, it's an open concept.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're outside at the front. Oh, there's a car. Let's go. Seriously.
It's like.
No matter where there's something there, guys, if you drop, I won't catch you.
You will catch me.
Did it. Actually, just walking around, and we went to see it.
While we're walking. I hope you don't mind if we catch you on camera.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, you don't want to
I'm
be
too
on?
rough for the camera.
Yeah, you're too raw.
Yes.
What are you farming now?
I'm too rough for the camera.
You
What?
think so?
Yes.
No, you are looking.
I like this.
No.
What are you farming now?
What are you doing? What are you planting now?
Onion.
Onion.
Onions.
Yeah.
Right now here.
Yeah?
Onion.
Okay.
Like behind you? That's
Yeah.
onion too?
Yeah. But this one are small.
Small.
Ah, I think I see the small one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like the
There's
grass.
too much grass. That's
Yeah.
why we don't see.
Okay. How long do they take to grow up? Like onions?
3 months. 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months?
Yeah.
That's good.
Nice.
It's like cash crops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, you have a lot here, man. Let's see what you have.
You're the
There.
you're the one who's farming this side.
So you do all of this?
Yeah. Normally someone was there, but this person left now.
Okay.
Yeah.
These one are
Those
pep
are peppers.
and sweet pepper. Okay.
Ooh.
No, these ones are the sweet peppers.
Okay, these ones are the hot pepper and sweet
Those
pepper.
ones are the hot peppers.
Hey,
Okay.
Jody, you should have this one.
Peppers.
Yeah.
Don't have that one, Jody. Have this one. It's good
The
for
hot
you.
pepper.
Wow.
There is carrot over there.
Oh, carrots.
Ah, I see that.
Yeah, the last time we were here, we were riding quad bikes here at this side.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of cashew guys here. And this is why cashew business in the Gambia is very good as well.
These ones are spoiled or what?
No, the seeds are good.
You think so?
Yeah, so what they do now, they pick the seeds out this and then they roast it and get the cashew from this. So guys, the cashew that you like, this is it.
Yeah.
This is it.
Okay, let's show them one.
You want to show them another one?
With the seed.
Aha. Yeah.
Cashew fruit.
Yes.
With seeds.
So all of this is beneficial, right? But most people only focus on the seed and throw away the thing. Mind you, stain up yourself.
This is the seed.
Mm.
This is the fruit.
This is very stainy though, so you have to be
Yeah.
careful of that. But this is a huge cashew tree, by the way.
Yes, it
Very
is.
big.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the last time we were quad biking,
We.
we take this trail to practice before we went on the road.
Yeah.
So now,
Guys, so we are actually in heaven right now. Yes. And we're walking the bliss. Yeah, it's a huge mango tree, but I'm more concerned about what I'm seeing or what I think I see in front of me. This is our free range
yeah,
thing. Chicken farm.
we range
Let me not go close. Can we go close? I hope not.
so.
Oh, that's why them have.
Yeah, two fences.
No, them separate one from the other.
Yeah. Oh, there's the duck bath.
But it's chicken bath as well.
Hello, chicks.
Hey. Right. Ooh. Guys, this is what you can do if you're in the Gambia. You have a look at this size land right here. You can see it's not a huge size land, but it's big enough, and they just make this thing around it, like this type of fence, and they're doing free range chicken right here on the mansion.
Yeah.
Right? And the entire compound, there's the mansion that we were staying. This place here. Bing! Yeah. And stuff like that. Well guys, so this, when you're on the mansion, when you're in the mansion or you're staying here, you can come and see this, but you know, because of maybe, you know, you can give these chickens disease. Human beings carry disease and infect them, so I don't think we'll have access to this side, but you can see they have different types of birds rearing here, which is very nice. Me, I like this day. I would want this on my land. Comment to let me know if you guys would want this on your land. Oh, if you're thinking of purchasing land, make sure to visit www.beyamaland.com to purchase your land today in the Gambia. What were you saying, Jody?
These are the layers, and those are like
Broilers?
broilers.
Oh, that's why them separate it like that. Because I'm like, why the double fence? If you see, that's another fence.
The ducks can live with them, it seems.
Yeah. The mansion with a farm. Hey, I like that. Hey, look, hey, cockfight. Cockfight is going on over there, guys.
So?
Yeah. They stop fight as soon as they hear me. They look
No,
like, ah.
they're looking at us like, why are you interfering?
This one right here. He's running down his own shadows. Anyways, let's go. Wow, look at this view, guys. Look at this view of the mansion. This is the Titus mansion, one of the most beautiful places in the Gambia, and it's quiet, peaceful. If you're looking for a nice, peaceful, quiet place, all of those words. Yes, bird watching, fruit eating, quad biking, beach going facility.
The beach is not far from here.
Yeah, this is Sangyang, guys, so the beach is not far. And this place is definitely the place for you to come and stay. We have to shout out the family because they've done a wonderful job in maintaining this place. I don't know where you want to walk. Yeah, are you sure that? Okay. This one wants to walk around the entire place. You have a cassava farm there.
Ah, there we have the cottons again.
Oh yeah, cottons. That's a cotton tree, guys.
This is just our house. Okay.
Yeah. So we can turn back as I told you.
We can walk down if we want.
We can?
See the other chicks.
Oh, yeah, we can. You see the free range chickie?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And the dog.
Ooh.
Hello guys.
Whack.
We're twins.
Yeah, they're running.
How
So,
are you guys doing?
they're so cute. Oh my god, I need this. Haha. Ooh. Yeah, I like that color. Black and white is nice there. And the black one, look at that nice black. Wow. Oh my god. Free range chickie are oh, they're so sexy. Oh my god. I can't believe I said that.
Really no.
I'm sorry, huh? Please don't be upset with me. Yeah.
What one?
She take the compliment a while ago.
Exactly. So.
She's like, ah, thank you very much, Dad.
Anyways, you guys want to take my time today? Later.
You have wings. They might, this chick is cute.
Seriously. That's the solar. What we were looking at the last time.
Oh, yeah, and it's fully solar, guys.
It's solar power.
You can hear the tank is filling up with water.
Yeah, borehole, right?
Yeah. And I just want to show you guys the pool here. Hopefully nobody around there that me catch him. Yeah. It's free now, huh? Aha. So this is another amenity of staying at the Titus mansion, is that you can swim in this pool.
Yeah.
If you're hot in your house and you want to go for a swim, this is the place. Yeah, did it. So Queen Jody, how has it been for you in the Titus mansion behind us?
It has been great.
You can't even see it, guy lean back so much.
No, it has been great. To be honest with you.
Let me do it like this.
Yes.
Hey.
This is cool.
It's very cool.
Yeah, so I slept well, to be honest.
Yeah.
Come like say I never sleep for a long time.
It was very peaceful.
Yeah, and just the whole peaceful ambiance, you know, and hearing the birds, the different birds singing and flying around with their different colors. This is like so cool for bird watching and
so peaceful.
resting and just meditating and chilling. What are the other words we could find?
Tranquil.
Like, love making, whatever it is.
Did you just say love? Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect for a couple like us.
Yeah, but
You know.
it's also a good place to come if you're, coming to the Gambia and
You want a safe place to just.
peace of mind,
Yeah.
quiet, collect your thoughts. Sometimes when we come to Africa or anywhere in Africa, we go to the cities and that's okay because, but when you come to a place like this, you can figure things out at least, This is like a figure things out place. And the price per room is actually not bad.
It's not bad.
For what you're getting with the amenities. And if you want, you can get food and stuff like that. You have a pool that you can go and swim in if you want.
Yeah, when the time is hot.
I mean, like, seriously.
You have what to eat if you want to bathe in warm water.
Oh, before we reach anywhere else, I want to say, guys, if you have a house or somewhere like this that you want to put out there, get in touch with us at quejapbookings@gmail.com. Reach out to us, okay? All right. Also, if you're looking for a place like this to rent, make sure you visit or send us an email at quejapbookings@gmail.com. This is just something that we're doing on the. Yeah, is it me? Yeah, you guys know how the thing. You know the thing, is it me? Answer? But yeah, it's very nice, guys. You can see behind us. We're just here chilling on this thing that full join myself, like yeah. So we're not finished the tour yet, but we just stop yourself now because we're gonna have food to eat and stuff like that.
Dinner soon.
Yeah, you guys are gonna see some of that, and yeah, give thanks. He knows. Ah, oh my God. Wow.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello.
You were crying? Seriously? This one is actually crying. Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys.
Gosh, thank you so much.
Jody, you gonna eat up so much food.
I know, but me gonna try.
It's very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Is that a surprise to you?
Seriously, all I know about is the king.
All of them do it,
Yes. Thank
Oh,
you.
I appreciate it too, honestly.
Yes, it's very nice. I like the touch.
Listen, all natural thing are going on
We're
here.
gonna
So.
eat.
We go
Maybe
eat.
we're gonna ship these things so that we
Put
can
them
eat them.
fine and can steer.
Eh?
No, man, you want this try and put them over there for now.
The flowers.
So they can eat well.
It's very nice. Wow. Joe, how does it feel to be surprised on your anniversary?
Oh my gosh, I can't. Young people make me all cry.
That's another reason why you guys should definitely visit the Titus
I
Manor.
know, right? Just tell them say I'm a special day.
Yeah. For me, like, every day is a special day when you're here.
I
So,
know. It
yes.
sure is.
Wow.
Anyway, give me a plate, let me serve
Yes,
you.
time to go and eat. Wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Yeah,
we
we
feel
really
so
appreciate
happy.
love it.
We do. And the food is
Look at this man.
nice. Yangi nice there.
Yeah.
All right.
Get too much right or so.